If you're experiencing sync issues with Adobe Sign, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause sync issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Update Adobe Sign. Make sure you are using the latest version of Adobe Sign. Check for updates in your application settings and install any available updates to ensure compatibility and improve performance. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Clear the cache and cookies in your web browser or app settings. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing sync problems. Restart the application after clearing the cache. Step 4. Relog into your account. Log out of your Adobe Sign account and then log back in. This can refresh your session and resolve any temporary issues affecting synchronization. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Adobe support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the sync issue, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any sync issues with Adobe Sign. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from Adobe support team.